Presenting a pre-owned 2014 GMC Acadia SLT-1. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 137,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, keyless entry, leather seats, and OnStar. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.